I wanted to share the stirrup hoe, sometimes called a hoop hoe, that I made. I made one for myself and my mother-in-law a couple years ago. It's a great tool for light weeding in cultivated soil. This part here slices through small roots. It uplifts weeds from the soil, yet isn't sharp. They are very simple to make. I found some 1¼ inch metal banding, a bit under 2 feet long. I bent the banding into a stirrup shape. This part here is at a 30-degree angle. I figured that having it angled a bit would work better than it being straight. I used my protractor and clamped the banding into my vise. I used a rubber mallet to bend the metal. I left all the edges slightly rounded. I figured a sharp 90-degree edge might weaken the metal. Once I was happy with the stirrup part of the tool, I carefully marked and drilled the holes in the metal and wooden handle. I attached it with 2 bolts and some Loctite. I wood burned some decorations and my friend's name in the handle, then put a light coat of linseed oil on it to protect the wood. My friend shares the same passion for gardening that I do, and I hope she enjoys the gift. Thanks for watching.